we will probably not find a place where at least one tile should not be cut, so tile cutting is an integral part of tiler activities. Many different tools are used to cut tiles. Their choice depends on several different factors such as type of tile, thickness and their dimensions. We will introduce you to several different ways of cutting tiles. The first and probably the most commonly used is tile cutting with a handheld cutting machine. The tile is placed on the base of the cutter so that the cut line marked on the tile coincides with the cutting wheel. By pushing the cutter handle forward, the cutting wheel cuts the tile along its entire length. When the cutter handle is raised, the pressure leg is folded down and, when pressed, it splits the tile across the cut line. Simple pliers for cutting tiles can be used to cut small tile corners. For cutting very large tiles, instead of a hand cutter, special workbenches with attached rulers are used. This is done by swiping the cutter attached to the ruler over the tile. Then the tile is broken with special breaking pliers. Splitting is done on both sides of the tile. This is done by aligning the breaking pliers with the notch and tightening a dedicated screw. Another way to cut tiles is by using a portable tile cutting machine. The tile is placed on the base of the machine so that the pre-marked cut line coincides with the cutting disc. Cutting tiles in this way requires less physical force, as the cutting is done on a rotating diamond blade that is additionally cooled by water. You just need to slowly push the motor mounted on the ruler with the cutting disc forward. When using any power tool, be sure to follow their instructions for safe use. There are many different variations of portable tile cutting machines. One of them is that it allows you to cut tiles at a set angle. This type of cutting machine has a base that can be rotated relative to the cutting disc. Cutting is also done with a water-cooled diamond blade, but in this case its position is fixed, so the tile itself must be pushed forward. This type of machine is irreplaceable when the tiles need to be cut at a 45-degree angle. Always choose the right tool to perform the tile cuts in the best way.